Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing infographic in PowerPoint. Are you excited to learn? Then let's get started. Open PowerPoint and create a new slide. Go to Format Background, select Gradient Fill and remove the middle two gradient stops. Click on the first stop, choose More Color and enter the color code D9 D9 D9. For the last stop, select More Color and enter the code 7F7F7F. Click OK. Adjust the gradient direction to linear right under Direction drop-down. Insert a rectangle. Go to Shape Format and set it aside and width to 2.5. Change the line color to white. For the fill, choose Solid Fill and enter the color code DADBDD. Go to Effects, select Shadow and choose Offset Center from the preset options. Copy the rectangle and align both to the center. Create a copy of the grouped rectangles. Insert an arrow pentagon shape and set its height to 0.5 and width to 1.5. Align the arrow with the border of the squares. Select gradient fill for the arrow and for the first stop, enter color code 42275. For the second stop, enter color code 734V6D. Adjust the gradient direction to linear diagonal. Copy the arrow and flip it horizontally. Change the gradient stop. First stop equal to 02AA B0. Second stop equal to 00 CD AC. Copy the arrows arrow below. First stop 6143 at 5. For the second stop 516395. The right arrow. First stop 56 AB 2F. Second stop A8 E063. Insert a diamond shape. Set its height and width to 3.5. Change the line color to white. and fill it with DADBDD. Align the diamond to the center and middle of the slide. Group the square and its arrows together. Repeat this process for all four squares. Align the grouped square to the center and middle of the slide. Ungroup them afterward. Type 1 in the first arrow. Set the font to biome. Adjust the font size to 48. Type 2 in the second arrow. Ensure the font and size are the same as the first arrow. Type 3 in the third arrow. Repeat the same process as before to match the font and size. Type 4 in the fourth arrow. Follow the same steps to maintain consistency in font and size. Insert a text box and type first option infographic. Use the eyedropper tool to match the text color with the first arrow and set the font to biome. Create a copy of the text box. Replace the text with your text here. Set its color to black and change the font size to 12. Duplicate the text from the first square and paste it into the third square. Duplicate the same text into the second and fourth squares as well. Change the word first to second in the second option. Change the word first to third in the third option. Update the word first to fourth in the fourth option. Go to Insert tab and click on icon, search bar, head, conversation, time, and chart. Then insert them. Set each icon's height and width to 0.5. Position the chart icon in the first square. Use the eyedropper tool to match its color to the first arrow. Position the timer icon in the third square. Use the eyedropper tool to change its color to match the third arrow. Position the head icon in the second square. Adjust its color to match the second arrow using the eyedropper tool. Position the conversation icon in the fourth square. Change its color to match the fourth arrow using the eyedropper tool. Change the color of fourth option infographic to match the fourth square arrow. Change the color of second option infographic to match the second square arrow. Change the color of third option infographic to match the third square arrow. Add a text box in the center of the diamond and type infographic. Set the text color to black. Go to Insert tab, search for bulb, and insert the icon. Position it in the center of the diamond. Select the diamond, go to Effects, and apply Shadow Offset Center. Your presentation is now ready. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, and for more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.